Hi, I'm meteorologist Rich Marriott, and we're headed into our last full week of summer. It's going to arrive officially just a week from today, so you want to get out and enjoy the sunshine and warmth while it's still sticking around, and it is going to be around today. We started with a lot of clouds early this morning, but they started clearing before daybreak, and still clearing in some places, but there in Port Angeles, they pretty much cleared out entirely. There's blue skies out there. Still seeing a few clouds up around Bellingham, but Whatcom County is going to clear out to plenty of sunshine this afternoon. And similarly there, Everett, as late as maybe about 6 o'clock, they were still mostly cloudy, but already out into sunshine, and they're about the same for Tacoma. Checking out along the coast at Westport, still some fog and low clouds out there, but it's usually a little bit slower to clear, and today they'll make it out this afternoon, see some sunshine. Should see high temperatures out there along the coastal beaches, getting to the mid-60s, pretty typical for this time of the year. Checking in the lows from this morning, we're down most places into the upper 40s and low 50s, though we did see Bremerton drop down to 41 degrees overnight, though you're seeing these overnight lows gradually get lower simply because we have the extended darkness, and those shorter daylight hours definitely starting to take a toll on our overnight low temperatures. Looking at the first alert, or rather taking a look at the countdown to fall, again, just 7 days until it arrives officially next Monday at 11:19 a.m. We switch officially from summer to spring, and that's the sun should be right over the equator at that point, and then continuing to head south for the next 6 months, as many of us will want to do at some point during the winter. Our first alert 7-day forecast, well, we've got sunshine today and comfortable temperatures. We have like a one-day heat wave tomorrow. We're going to see high pressure build in later today, and with that we are going to be looking for those temperatures tomorrow to go up 10 to 15 degrees, and we're going to develop offshore winds, which are going to give us gusty winds down the Cascade foothills, which potentially is going to be giving us increased fire danger for tomorrow, simply because we have such dry fuels around western Washington. As we have, it only lasts for the day, though. We're back down into the low to mid 70s on Wednesday, and the low to mid 70s kind of stick with us through the remainder of the work week before we see a few showers as we head into the weekend. Satellite image, you can see we've got high pressure off the coast, that nice clear area out there. That's going to be pushing in later today and then move on through here tomorrow. And as it builds east of the Cascades, we'll get that offshore wind that's going to be giving us wind gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour. It's going to be primarily near the Cascade foothills, it looks like, but though usually in this situation, also places will channel, especially below some of the lower passes like Snoqualmie. You'll see some of those winds make it all the way out to Maple Valley and finally out to places like Federal Way and out at SeaTac, and also other communities like Gold Bar and North Bend will get those gusty winds headed their way as well during the day tomorrow. And that combined with the warm temperatures and the very dry fuels is one of the reasons that the National Weather Service has issued a fire weather watch from 5 a.m. tomorrow until 11 p.m. tomorrow. So we'll watch this very carefully. It may go to a red flag warning during the day tomorrow, so we definitely want to keep track of that. We saw some fires start over the weekend when it was relatively cool and a little bit on the damp side. Now we're going to be dry and windy, and so fires will be able to start easily and spread very quickly. So we will keep a very close watch on that. In terms of the smoke, when we get the offshore winds, we are going to be bringing some of the smoke in out of eastern Washington. You see that starts to happen later on today, and then tomorrow we do get a shot of that, but it's still pretty light smoke. It isn't going to be affecting our air quality today. You can see good air quality everywhere today, and then tomorrow we'll see the air quality be good once again, even with that light smoke haze we're going to have around the area. Take a look at the mountains, looking pretty good there at Hurricane Ridge. Still some great hiking weather up in the mountains. Starting off with a little fog, you can see there at Stevens, and it's a little bit higher there at Snoqualmie Pass, but that's going to disappear quickly. A good afternoon for hiking around western Washington with sunshine and temperatures pretty comfortable. We'll peak out mostly in the mid to upper 60s this afternoon. And checking the extended forecast. So for today, we're going to be looking for the clouds. They're pretty much gone at this point. Mostly sunny this afternoon, highs around 70. Tomorrow it's going to be sunny and warm, maybe hot for some folks. We'll see those temperatures tomorrow push up into the mid to upper 80s in the warmer spots. Might even touch 90 in a couple of places, but which will be out towards the foothill areas where the winds will be, which won't be good. We'll see that cooling as we head into Wednesday back into the mid 70s and stay in the low to mid 70s with sunshine for the remainder of the week. Partly sunny on Saturday early on, increasing clouds. Could see some rain moving in later in the day or the evening on Saturday, then decreasing showers Sunday. High temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. And as we arrive at that switch from summer into fall on the 22nd, you see it's still a pretty warm day forecast at this point, but we do see temperatures fall off a little bit as we head into next week. And also the computer model is starting to look like we might start to see a little bit wetter weather pattern develop, which you would expect for this time of the year.